Welcome to the AWO show. Today we'll be speaking to you about antimatter, and we'll be taking you on the inside look of how it works.
The interview was Ayush and Jason.
Antimatter be created by us?
Yes, but it costs about $1 billion to make 1 milligram of antimatter.
Matter be mixed?
Yes, but they will annihilate.
That was the exclusive interview with Jason and Oliver.
Question: Is antimatter used in medicine?
Matter is used in medicine. Matter is not the same as antimatter.
Now, 10 facts of the use.
Here are 10 facts about antimatter. Number 1. According to the Big Bang Theory, the Big Bang should have created equal amounts of matter and antimatter. And when antimatter and matter meet, everything annihilates. So in theory, none of us should exist. Number 2. People are trying to study how to use antimatter as rocket fuel. Basically, antimatter is able to produce high amounts of power and fuel. It actually is hypothetically possible. People are trying to gather enough antimatter to make it possible. Number 3. In order to study antimatter, you need to make sure that it comes nowhere near matter, so it doesn't annihilate. In order to do that, you need to trap antimatter, and scientists have found just the way to do that. Charged antimatter can be held in things called penny traps. Number 4. If you put antimatter and matter together, you get a massive burst of gamma rays. Number 5. Antimatter has a ton of medical benefits, including fighting cancer. Number 6. The existence of antimatter was first thought of in 1928 by Paul Dirac. Later, it was proven right. Number 7. Producing antimatter is very hard. It takes more energy than what is returned. Scientists say it only returns 0.0000001 of what is given. Number 9. It would take $1 billion to produce 1 milligram of antimatter. Number 10. If all the antimatter ever created mixed with matter, it would only be able to produce enough energy for a light bulb. Now, 5 facts with Jason.
The antimatter that could prevent us is still in space. Next up, for number 7, scientists have almost figured out how to use antimatter for rocket fuel or just gas. Number 8. Antimatter is very rare, even though there's even amounts of antimatter and matter in the universe. Number 9. Scientists believe that gravity affects antimatter opposite than us, so antimatter will go up instead of down. And then number 10. Antimatter will one day be used as an atomic bomb that could wipe out the entire face of Earth.
This has been the AJO show. I hope you guys enjoyed the whole newscast, and I hope you guys learn more about antimatter.
It's been a great day, yeah!